Overnight line movers, Teddy. Temple's on the bubble, but UConn getting the love. One of those lines that says, boy, Temple needs to win this game and probably beat UCF on Saturday to get that bid into the tournament without having to worry too much about the conference tournament making a long run. But how about this? Temple opens up at 1.5, now sitting at 2 across the board. Over under, crashing on the total also, Teddy. Opens up at 145, drops to 140.5 offshore Pinnacle as well.
Yeah, I mean, the market's not enamored with Temple. And, of course, Temple, is very much on the bubble. So you have the must-win teams. Sometimes the markets don't like these must-win teams. A loss tonight against UConn will take the Owls off the bubble, essentially. But Temple also could clinch one of the 4 first-round byes with a win here. UConn, they snapped their 6-game losing streak with a home win over USF on Saturday. Worth noting, 4 of the 6 losses during that streak came by 8 points or less. They've been very competitive and finally got off the schneid. That may well be a buy sign. The market's certainly seeing it that way.
Yeah, waiting for Adams to get back. If he ever gets back for UConn or in time for the conference tournament, probably not. Injured his leg early in the Temple game a couple weeks back. Just have never recovered there for UConn. Bucks Pacers total slides down a little bit, Teddy, but rebounds here. Had it at 225.5 down to 221. Now it looks like it's settling back in even higher, posted at 223 right now. Indiana Pacers, Milwaukee Bucks. We'll talk about it a little bit later in Watch What You Bet, but interesting to see the line move it dipping and then rising here in the early morning hours.
Sure, and it's not unusual to see one betting group drive the line one way and another betting group go, oh, our number was here. That's our buy sign. And they'll drive it right back the other way. I was looking for trends, angles, coaches' quotes, anything to indicate why the market went down initially. I didn't find anything. I'm not surprised. The market got bet right back up on the Pacers-Bucks total.